So today's topic is Internet. Internet is a computer-based worldwide information network. It is composed of a large number of smaller interconnected networks are interconnected together to form a huge network that is called Internet. These networks may share various resources such as supercomputers and databases and some other commonly used resources. It allows effective, fast, and inexpensive communication. Now, let us see some historical events related to Internet, how Internet came into being. In 1969, US Department of Defense sponsored a project called ARPANET. The full form is Advanced Research Projects Agency Network, ARPA net. Then in mid 80s, 1980s, National Science Foundation, in short NSF, created a new high capacity network called NSFNet, which was more capable than ARPANET. तो सबसे पहले ARPANET आया, उसके बाद NSFNet आया. Now it was the inter-networking of these two and some other networks, some other private networks. All these networks were interconnected together, ARPANET, NSFNet, and some other networks. And a name was coined for that internetworking. It was Internet. Then ARPANET was shut down in 1990s, and government funding for NSFNet was also stopped in 1995. After that, commercial internet services came into being, and from that time till today, these services are still running. Now let us see some organizations which govern the internet. Actually, there is not a single organization for internet. Let us see them one by one. First is Internet Network Information Center, or NIC. It is an organization that controls the registration of domain names. For example, you want to create your own website, and you need a domain name. For that, you have to request a unique name of your website for registration. So who will do registration? Inter-NIC. And addresses of new computers being added to the network. The Inter-NIC is jointly sponsored by NSF, Network Solutions Inc., and AT&T companies. Second is your Internet Architecture Board, IAB. It is an organization within US Department that makes decisions about Internet standards. So what is its work? It controls all Internet protocols. It has major two groups. There are various groups, but major two groups are: first is Internet Research Task Force, IRTF. It focuses on the research of Internet protocols, applications, architecture, and technology. Second is Internet Engineering Task Force, IETF. It is a large open community of network designers, operators, vendors, and researchers. It provides development services by creating, testing, and implementing Internet standards. So this was all about how Internet is organized. Let us move further. Advantages of Internet. Now see, on Internet you can write the whole essay. isn't it? There are various advantages and various disadvantages too. So I have quoted these advantages and disadvantages from a particular website. I liked these points. बहुत अच्छे points हैं. You can consider these in your answer. Okay, let us discuss these advantages one by one. So first is connectivity, communication and sharing. वैसे नाम से ही पता लग रहा होगा. In earlier days, if you sent a letter to someone, it could take days and sometimes even months to reach a letter at the destination. But in modern times, you can send a letter or anything in the form of email anywhere in the world using internet and within very short time period. Along with this, along with email, you can also use different types of communication like VoIP. For example, we can use WhatsApp for making calls. So WhatsApp is using internet, not through Airtel subscriber line. So VoIP means voice over internet protocol. And chat, they also enable you to send any information instantly to anybody in the world. Along with all this, on internet we have online forums where people gather and connect with each other so that they can share common interest, isn't it? We have online video calling through Skype and some other WhatsApp also, etc. Then we have information, knowledge and learning. So in this, internet allows people to learn information about any topic and offers answers to any type of question. As it contains endless information, you can use any search engine like Google Chrome, etc. to search information on any topic. And there are text material, videos, and other graphical information about anything. Then third point is address mapping and contact information. The internet can help users to provide information almost about every place in the world using map or GPS. I think nowadays everybody is using GPS whenever he is going far off places. And even we can get contact information of a particular person like using Facebook, etc. Then selling and making money. So this advantage is in itself well understood. You can sell, you can purchase anything. Like there are some websites OLX on which you can sell anything and you can make money. So this is one of the advantages of internet. Without going anywhere, without showing your object physically to a customer, you can sell it second hand or first hand, whatever. Then banking, bills and shopping. This is again an advantage. Online banking, everybody is using now. In mobiles, we have various apps of different banks. So if you want to see your bank balance, You need not to go to bank to find out your balance. You need not to get a printout of your statement. Everything is available online through internet. Then you can do shopping also. It's quite clear. Online shopping using Amazon, Flipkart, etc. Sixth point, sixth advantage, donations and funding. If you want to help somebody, if you want to donate some amount of money to a particular organization, everything can be done sitting at your home on laptop. So with the help of internet connection, anyone can help fund projects and ideas. You might have heard crowdfunding. किसी ने कोई नई कंपनी बनाई, नया आइडिया. yesterday I was reading newspaper, उसके अंदर एक लड़की, इसने गरीब बच्चों को, भूखे बच्चों को खाना खिलाने का एक कॉन्सेप्ट शुरू किया. तो उसके लिए उसको लोगों से जुड़ना था, पैसा इकट्ठा करना था. सो व्हाट ही डिड, ही यूज्ड इंटरनेट, he used a platform, Facebook, to collect that money. So funding can be done using internet. Then obviously entertainment is there. This is an advantage. घर बैठे बैठे आप अपना फेवरेट म्यूजिक, वीडियो गेम्स वगैरह everything you can get on internet. Work from home, another big advantage. Work from home, collaboration and access to a global workforce. Work from home तो clear हो गया होगा आपको. There are various websites which allow somebody to be self-reliant, to be self-employed. What they do, these companies sell their work, and those who purchase the work, they fill it and they get some amount of that work. The internet offers people benefit to connect with others around the world. It can offer many people to create a virtual office, not real office, virtual office, by allowing them to work from home. For example, you can create your own web page. If you are specialized in a particular field, for example, if you are specialized in teaching, if you are specialized in typing, you can create your own web page. Then make it famous by using ads, Google AdSense. Then people may see your web page and may call you for work. They may give you work and you can earn some money. Now next is Internet of Things. In short, it is called IoT. ये आपने शायद बहुत कम सुना होगा. IoT, Internet of Things. Things का मतलब चीजें, devices which are in your home, like AC, fridge, washing machine, etc. Using internet, you can control all these devices remotely. For example, a person is going back home from his office and wants to take a shower. मतलब वो चाहता है कि जैसे ही वो घर पे पहुंचे, उसका पानी उसको ऑलरेडी गर्म मिले. तो remotely, by using internet, what he can do, he can set particular timings and temperature of the geyser. Geyser should be smart. All this is happening, right? So internet makes smarter your devices in your home. your devices must be connected to internet. So it can be used to control the heating and cooling in your home. A thermostat can be connected to the internet. When devices have been connected to internet, they can be controlled remotely with the help of your smartphone or computer. So devices can become smarter if they can access internet, and then more efficient and help in saving time, money and energy. So main benefit is that you can control these devices remotely by using this technology called IoT, Internet of Things. Now the last one is, last but not the least, cloud computing and cloud storage. You can store, you can use virtual storage media on internet. For example, Google Drive. It is quite common nowadays, Google Drive. We have notes, we have question papers, question bank, we have different queries, etc. Photos also, everything can be there in Google Drive. There is no need of pen drives now. If you want to share a particular document, make it shareable and send the link. So this is one of the biggest advantages of internet today. It offers connectivity to your computer and internet enabled devices to connect with cloud services. Like Google is providing cloud services, Microsoft is providing cloud services such as cloud storage, cloud computing, etc. The benefit is that once your data is on cloud, it cannot be erased until unless your permission is there. Now let us see some disadvantages of internet. There are so many advantages and disadvantages. You can write in your own languages also, but these keywords, these terms are much more useful while writing answers. So let us see these disadvantages as on your screen. First is addiction. It is a time waster and it causes distractions. If any person is spending much time on internet connected devices, he can be addicted to the internet. So an internet addictive person can lead to spending his precious time rather than doing some productive work, isn't it? Thus, anyone who is addicted to internet can hamper his productivity. And example of these persons is every person. Most of the persons who are having access to internet, they have addiction. They are wasting their time. Second is bullying, trolls, stalkers, and crime. A person who uses the internet very frequently, like a student or a college going student, if he is using Instagram, Facebook, etc., maximum time, frequently, can face trolls from the people or abusive from the people. Another issue is cyberbullying. You know what is cyberbullying, पहले हम already discuss कर चुके हैं. Or sometimes somebody can track you on internet, like hackers or crackers, They can harm you by stealing your personal information. If you are spending more time on internet, it will be easier for hackers to find your personal information quite easily. Spam and advertising. You know spam mails, advertising, interrelated terms. Internet is the best place to advertise any service or product as compared to traditional advertising methods. For example, if you open, if you search an online class on YouTube, then ads related to online classes like Byju's will be appearing again and again on your screen, because nowadays internet is the best place to do advertisement. And if they get your email, then they will send you huge lots of spam mails in your inbox. Then we have one more disadvantage: never being able to disconnect from work. It means an employee is never free if he is using internet. अगर किसी एम्प्लॉय को कंपनी ईमेल कर करके काम दे रही है, समझ में आ रहा है, तो ही इज नॉट हैविंग 8 आवर जॉब नाउ. रात के 10 बजे वो घर पहुंच रहा है, उसने देखा कि मेल पड़ा हुआ है बॉस का कि जी आपको प्रेजेंटेशन तैयार करनी है, अगले दिन सुबह दो. घर जा करके भी वो आराम नहीं कर पा रहा है. ही हैज टू डू दैट वर्क. तो दिस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द डिसएडवांटेजेस, नेवर बीइंग एबल टू डिस्कनेक्ट फ्रॉम वर्क. काम से छुट्टी नहीं मिल पाती. वीकेंड है, सैटरडे संडे है, पहले से ही मैटर तैयार होगा, ईमेल कर दिया जाएगा. So internet is the best creation to offer connectivity, but it enables people to work from anywhere. So this can be a disadvantage. You cannot ignore that कि भाई मैं तो घर पे हूँ. So therefore anyone, anybody, a boss or some senior can expect you to be available anytime to work, even if you are not available to work there physically. And for that, you will not get extra money. Then identity theft, किसी की आइडेंटिटी चुरा लेना, उसका मिसयूज करना. Hacking is there, viruses are there, and people do cheating. A lot of scams are there on internet. So there are various malicious users and computer hackers that steal your personal information and may hack accounts, which can be used for identity theft and can be harmful to you personally. One more example is there: internet also enables students to find others to do their homework. Really, students try to find others to do their homework and offers ways to cheat on their studies. हो रहा है ना ये सब? तो है तो disadvantage ही. Seventh, health issues and obesity. Health issues अनहेल्दी बनाता है. एक ही जगह बैठे बैठे बस फिंगर्स चलती हैं, पूरा शरीर ऐसे ही डेड पड़ा हुआ है, तो धीरे धीरे ओबेसिटी भी इंक्रीज होती चली जाएगी. So if you are surfing the internet frequently, playing games and spending too much time on the computer, it can also lead to obesity and unhealthy lifestyle. Also, a person who spends too much of time on computer can face problem like carpal tunnel syndrome. And when we do normally, what we do on internet, we use our hands, our fingers to move mouse or to do typing repeatedly. So in that case, our posture can be disturbed, our fingers can get damaged. Okay, next is depression, loneliness, and social isolation. इंटररिलेटेड टर्म्स हैं. इंसान अपने आप को अकेला महसूस करने लग जाता है, फिर वो डिप्रेशन में चला जाता है, एंड आफ्टर डिप्रेशन यू नो व्हाट अ पर्सन कैन डू. Why it is so? Many people using internet, they try to compare their lives with others on these social networking sites. जो नेट पे दिखता है उसको वो फॉलो करने की कोशिश करते हैं, फॉलो नहीं कर पाते तो अपने आप को इंफीरियरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स में डाल देते हैं, फिर लोनलीनेस शुरू हो जाती है, फिर किसी ने अगर कोई कमेंट कर दिया तो नाराजगी शुरू हो जाती है, देन दी स्लोली सोशल आइसोलेशन इज देयर, लोनलीनेस इज देयर, दैट पर्सन में go deep into depression. Social networking sites provide users the option to make thousands of friends, isn't it? आपने देखा होगा फ्रेंड लिस्ट, देखो कितनी लंबी है फेसबुक पे, 1000, 2000, 500. So many friends. Are they real friends? Not at all. कितनों से आप बात कर लेते हो? क्या मतलब डेली 1000 लोगों से बात कर पाएगा कोई फेसबुक पे? नहीं ना. So this is not good at all. हर चीज के दो रूप होते हैं, उसको आपको पहचानना है कि आप उसे कैसे इस्तेमाल करो. A knife can be used to murder somebody or to cut vegetables. Okay, buying things that you don't need. होता है ना सर, ऐसी चीजें खरीद लेते हैं जिसकी जरूरत ही नहीं है. This is a disadvantage. Internet provides advantages for consumers to make purchasing, so users can purchase products frequently without putting much thought into whether they should or not. वो ये नहीं सोचते, हाँ भाई अच्छा लग रहा है, ठीक है, किसी मॉडल ने कोई जैकेट पहन रखा है बढ़िया सा, दैट मॉडल इज अ मॉडल, तो उसको तो अच्छा लगना ही है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कोई फ्लोरिसेंट कलर के शूज हैं, स्पोर्ट्स शूज, येलोइश कलर के, ग्रीनिश कलर के, चमक रहे हैं, फोटोग्राफी इतनी अच्छी की जाती है, वो अच्छे लगते हैं फोटोज में, जरूरत थी क्या? नहीं, पर लोग खरीद लेते हैं. और फिर अगर वो ऐसे शूज को पहन करके चलते हैं तो पता नहीं फिर क्या एटीट्यूड आ जाता है उनमें कि हमने इंटरनेट से कुछ खरीदा. सो बाइंग थिंग्स दैट यू डू नॉट नीड, एक्चुअली दिस इज अ डिसएडवांटेज. इन सब चीजों से बचना है. 10th and last, quite easy, we have to face viruses and malwares if we are working on internet, जिसके लिए ऑलरेडी बहुत कुछ डिस्कस किया जा चुका है. फॉर दैट यू नीड टू इंस्टॉल total security softwares or some antiviruses. So I am going to finish this. One or two more slides are there. Next term is World Wide Web. Some people think www is internet or it is a synonym of internet. It is not like that. थोड़ा सा difference है. The World Wide Web is a set of programs or standards and protocols that allows the multimedia and hypertext files to be created, displayed, and linked on internet. ठीक है? This is a technical definition. You must learn this. Before www, internet was mainly used for obtaining text information. Later on, different types of media came into being, like images, graphics, audio, visuals, etc. www is also known as web. तो ये था वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब के बारे में. Now let us see some history of world wide web. This page has been taken from your book by Sumita Arora. Present day www is about 21 years of age, with its official birth date as April 30, 1993. So let us see a brief history here. In 1989, on March 12, Tim Berners-Lee, a British scientist working at CERN in Switzerland, submits a proposal for distributed information system, not centralized. सेंट्रलाइज का मतलब तो है सारी इंफॉर्मेशन एक ही जगह है, ऐसा नहीं. सारी इंफॉर्मेशन सारी जगह है, हर जगह फैली हुई है. तो ये प्रपोजल उसने रखा था. To allow researchers to deal with huge amount of information. This is the genesis of World Wide Web. In 1990, on December 20, world's first website goes live at info.cern.ch. And this is your first web page. If you want, you can search it on internet. ये सब learn करने की जरूरत नहीं है, ठीक है. 1991, on August 6, the World Wide Web is launched publicly as Tim Berners-Lee publishes details of project on internet. In 1993, on April 30, CERN released the World Wide Web source code and announces it will be available free of charge. It also releases a basic browsing along with a library of code. By the end of year, there are more than 500 web servers, and the web accounts for 1% of difference between www and internet. A large part of internet is World Wide Web. It is a large part, but not the whole internet. This is made up of websites that have one or more web pages. This is the part of www is the part of internet that you probably use most of the time. But the internet is not just web pages. It consists of different forums where people can seek help and advice about a particular topic with by discussing with other people. Then it also consists of research databases stored on web servers, which can help researchers to research on a particular topic. Third, Usenet. These are some discussion groups where a particular topic can be discussed by some researchers or some people of common interest. And then we have email and instant messaging systems along with www. Email, you already know. Instant messaging system, in short, it is also known as IM. Instant messaging system is like sending messages quickly or instantly to other people using various apps like WhatsApp and Yahoo Messenger, Facebook Messenger, etc. So with this, we have finished today's lecture. Okay, then if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.